Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Grasso here, and with Election Day coming up on Tuesday, I thought it'd be a great time to discuss reasons why I think it's important that everyone should vote. There's a lot of discussion nowadays about why you shouldn't vote or just not feeling compelled to vote because you don't like the candidates. But I strongly encourage each and every one of you when you turn 18 years old to take up that civic obligation and just go to the polls to educate yourself on every candidate and every issue, whether it be local government, like things that are impacting Norton, or if it's national government and things that are impacting everyone across the United States. I feel like it's our way to express the things that we are most concerned about. Everyone can complain, but not everybody chooses to vote. So, at least if you have a little bit of a voice, use it. Use that voice the best that you can. Also, the other thing is that, yes, you may not feel compelled to vote in a presidential election, fearing that the Electoral College is just going to take your vote and wash it away. That's not a reason to not go out to the polls. If everybody felt that way, then nobody would vote. So, if you're looking to make proactive changes, you have to get to the booth. And with local elections, you do have a direct vote, you do have a direct say. You also have the right to write to your senators, whether they be senators that live in Washington, D.C., or sit in Washington, D.C., or state senators and state representatives that operate right here out of Boston. Also, too, you can get involved in any type of government at any level. So use your vote, exercise your right to be involved, think about what your opinions do, and again, think about how you can be a better citizen through this practice that our founding fathers, veterans, women, and minority groups have fought to have. Don't let that go to waste. Have a great week.